Here is a push-up counter that I made as part of a project for uni this year. It counts how many reps you've done, as well as checking that you're maintaining a straight back. So how did I make it? First, I needed to see if there was a way to use the video from a webcam to track a human body. I found this library called MoveNet that captures 17 different key points of a person's body at 30 plus frames per second. So once using this library to detect the body, the next step was to teach the app how to actually detect a push-up. My first approach was simple. Just work out when both arms are bent at the elbows at 90 degrees, and then when it returns to 180 degrees, and count that as one push-up. To work out the angle at the elbow, I had to use 3 key points: the wrist, the elbow, and the shoulder. We need to try and calculate this angle here. Now, rather than trying to think back to what I learned in high school trigonometry, I found another way to get to the correct formula. Once this formula was found, I could detect when I was in both the down and up positions for a push-up. Now, it may look as if at this point that the push-up detector is working pretty well. However, simply using the angle at the elbow meant that you didn't actually need to be in the push-up position for it to detect a push-up. So I needed to add a couple more constraints in order for a correct push-up to be detected. First, I added a condition that the elbows needed to be above the nose to recognize the body as being in the down position. And the second condition was that the user's back needed to be straight. To help the user know when their back is straight, I set the back part of the skeleton to be highlighted in red if in fact their back was bent. I also added some speech commands to let the user know how many reps were completed without them needing to face the screen.
5. Up. 6.
So that's basically how I made this push-up counter. If you'd like to give the app a go, you can find the link to it in the description below. I'd recommend that for best results, you place your laptop or webcam on the ground, and make sure you're facing to your right when doing the push-up. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please consider subscribing. But if not, thanks for watching.